Is this the beginning?
What up, YouTube? It's your girl B.A. Asinine, coming with my 4-year and 6-month lockup date. Had a couple of people, when I dropped a question on Instagram about putting more videos up, people were like, where you been at? Yeah, so here it is. I have good reason for why I haven't been updating. One being, I think sometimes when your hair starts to hit a certain length, let's just be honest, you don't see that many changes except for the length, so that's one of them. Another reason is I've been having a whole bunch of things going on in my life. Good though. One being, I am in a new apartment, and secondly, I don't even live in this apartment that much because I actually teach overseas now, so that has been a blessing. Definitely one of the perks of teaching overseas is being able to travel, what you saw at the beginning of the video, and I'll drop a couple more pics right now while I talk. If you do nothing else in your life, make sure that you go and see this beautiful world, this beautiful earth. Get outside of your comfort zone and your bubble and go do things that scare you. That is definitely word to the wise. One of the things that I've learned on my life journey while being over there is that there are a bunch of other dreadheads that live over there, and one reason being is because it's so simple and easy to maintain. I had to learn how to do my hair on my own over there. When I was over here, I was having people do it for me. When I was over there, I had to do it myself, so that was definitely a big change, but I welcomed it. I only did my hair probably like 3 times over there in like a 9-10 month span, but that's okay. I learned how to do it before I left. So yeah, my last retwist was June the 12th, so it's been a while, but my next one will be this Sunday, so I'll make sure to put a new video up. If you have questions, if you still watch my videos, if you have questions about what I do with my hair now or just dreads in general, I will pick a few out and answer them if I have some. Let me put this back. I love my dreads. They're finally getting to that length where I can do different things with them. As you can see from my last retwist, I throw those pics up real quick. You know, I can do a French braid all the way back and it looks like I actually have a little hang time. And it's just good to know that you don't have to stress so much with that starter lock phase. Definitely don't miss it. Working the salt and pepper look still in the front of my hair. I'll show y'all an untwisted 360. So obviously this is the side. This is the back of my locks. I don't know what it's looking like back there, but, and then obviously the other side. But yeah, perfect day to do a video because this is the exact day of my anniversary. So I will come back, give a couple more tips, a little bit more insight, and yeah, thank you for watching my video. Remember, comment, subscribe, all those things. I'm really gonna try to do more videos since I've actually seen people ask me questions and this, that, and whatever since I've been back on here. So yeah, I'll make that a new resolution for myself. But yeah, holla at y'all later.